Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn how to create a zip file in Node.js. So for this one, we are going to use the package yazl. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So basically, yazl is basically used for creating a zip of the file that you are going to pass in that function. Okay, so here we have the function that is called zip file dot add file, file1 dot txt, file1 2 dot txt. Any of the file you can add, and with the help of the output stream pipe, it will create a zip file and it will put that zip file into your current directory. So let's see how it gonna be work. So let's go and check out. So here this is a package, and here you can see that it has too much downloads weekly, so we can use this package, right? So I'm going to use this npm iyzl. So go and just add this package here, paste. So this module is added. Okay, the next part we have to create some of the files. So I'm going to use touch text1 dot txt, touch test2 dot txt, touch text3 dot txt. Okay, these three files I have created, so I'm going to add these files in a zip file. So it's file1 also is there, so I'm going to add this one also. Touch this one, file1, and make it file2 also at the same. Okay, file1, file2 and file3. These three files we have created, right? And let's have a look on that. So file1, file2, file3 all are created over here. So moving to the next part, file1, file2, make it file3, and make it test1. I guess test1 we have created, right? Test2 is there, test2, or okay. So these all our files are there, so I'm going to comment rest of the files over here. So here we have the this one, blue chalk, this one, comment this one. So we are going to run this one. On this part we are going to comment this one also. So just run it. npm node. So the pipe fs create output stream on close, fs is not defined, so npm ifs we can use, and we will try to import it over here. Const fs require fs file system, save, run this. So you can see that it's done. That means zip file is there. So you can see output.zip. So whatever file we have added, let's see it's there or not. Extract here, output, file2 and test2. So here we have added file2 and test2. Okay, so this is the parameter that we have added. The file2 and the text2 are there. Okay, so add only files, not the directories. Okay, so this is the main criteria. So here you can add only the files, not the directory. By adding this one, you will get the zip files, zip it over here. So let's see the documentation part also. So here you can see that new zip file, file1. So basically it's a file to the text file. Okay, it's a path. So here you need to find the path of it, then the file name. Okay, so here we need to define the path. So basically the file, we are on the same directory, so I have just used this one. So this is the path, that one. So here you need to define the path. This is the file name of that one, so it will pick it up and make a zip of it. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.